Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials, log into the correct account, and make sure you have publisher or admin rights. Once done, disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and open the site in an incognito window to avoid cached interference. Also, identify the ad network and the specific pages where ads should appear. This lets you isolate whether the issue is account configuration, local browser blocking, or a network delivery problem before you change code or settings. Next, inspect how ads are delivered. Open Developer Tools and watch the Network tab as you load the page. Filter for ad-related requests and check response codes to see if requests succeed or are blocked. Verify the ad tag code is placed exactly where the network recommends and that any async loading is correctly chained. Make sure consent flows and cookie banners aren't preventing requests. If you see JS errors, fix them because a single exception can stop ad scripts from running. Finally, clear caches and test the pages on another device and network to rule out local caching or ISP blocks. Make sure ad units are active in the network dashboard, targeting and pacing are set correctly, and any required billing or tax info is complete so ads can serve. If ads still don't show, enable verbose logging for ad SDKs and rerun tests. If you see blocked requests or policy errors, collect the logs and escalate to network support for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.